is infinity in Power BI. It sounds like a cosmic mystery, but don't worry, we can control it. There are several ways to handle these values, and picking the right one depends on our specific data needs. From IFERROR to divide, we have solutions that ensure our reports stay clean and meaningful. By managing infinity correctly, we prevent misleading insights and keep our dashboards looking sharp. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Infinity in Power BI often sneaks in when dividing by zero. It's like math's way of saying, I can't deal with this. If left unchecked, infinity can skew your entire analysis. Understanding when and why it appears is the first step in managing it effectively. Think of it as detective work. Once we spot the infinity culprit, we can apply the right fix. Ever tried dividing by zero? Power BI does, and it doesn't like it. Infinity sneaks in when our formulas go rogue, whether due to missing data or incorrect calculations. Being aware of how these values creep into our datasets helps us stop them before they wreak havoc. A little vigilance goes a long way in ensuring smooth data processing. Ever seen a bar chart go crazy because of infinity? It's not pretty. Infinity values can distort visuals, making trends appear deceptive. Some charts even refuse to display properly when infinity lurks in the data. That's why handling infinity is crucial. It's the secret to keeping your reports readable, reliable, and useful. Ever had infinite values sneak into your dataset like uninvited guests? Well, conditional formatting is your bouncer. With highlights and color codes, you can spot them instantly. Setting alerts ensures surprises are minimal, and customizing formatting makes things readable. Let's make those infinite values stand out, but for the right reasons. Infinity might sound cool in sci-fi movies, but in data, not so much. We replace infinity with reasonable limits, use fallback calculations to keep things stable, and always double-check our sources for sneaky anomalies. And of course, formula checks ensure we don't unintentionally summon infinity like a magician gone rogue. Picture this, you divide by zero and suddenly, your calculations explode into infinity. Nightmare, right? But don't worry. Checking denominators, using error handling functions, and adding constraints prevent these disasters. Regular audits are your safety net. So let's keep our calculations grounded. No unintended infinity loops here. Infinity isn't always the villain. In finance, it helps with risk modeling. In science, it aids simulations, and machine learning loves it for extreme evaluations. Data visualization benefits from handling infinities wisely too. It turns out, with the right approach, infinity can be a powerful tool, just like a secret weapon. When infinite values appear out of nowhere, troubleshooting is key. First, pinpoint where they are coming from. Then use debugging techniques to unravel the mystery. Adjust parameters if needed, and when all else fails, there's always the trusty documentation. A troubleshooting infinity. It's detective work, but way more fun. Cleaning infinity from data requires some advanced tricks. Statistical methods help replace values, transformations make messy data usable, and automated checks keep everything in line. Optimized queries ensure your database isn't drowning in infinity. So data cleaning isn't just housekeeping, it's an art. So what have we learned? Infinity can be a headache, but with proper handling, it won't wreak havoc. Smart formatting and best practices keep data accurate, and troubleshooting keeps things smooth. Think of infinity as an unruly guest, manage it well, and it might just become an asset. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.